class. This is Sarah Moore, and wow, we're into week 8. Isn't that crazy? Boy, this first class has flown by for you guys, hasn't it? Um, in this week, we're going to discuss how can additional education aid nurses in being seen as true professionals. And you know what? It really does make a big difference. I mean, I don't know about you, but it has for me in my personal practice. Sometimes it is a little bit of a shame. I worked in float pool for years, and I was treated differently when I worked on the med-surg floors versus ICU. And it's too bad because there's lots of phenomenal nurses that work in med-surg, and they have their med-surg certificates, so they're advanced practice nurses too, because they worked and got those certs. But I mean, there is a little bit of truth behind that. So we're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about how education can help you advance in your practice, and it kind of brings back to why the ANA has pushed for registered nurses to earn their bachelor's degrees. How do you feel about that? So that's going to be our discussion for week 8. Also, your final is due at the end of the week, Monday, 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I talked a little bit in week 1 about what's to be expected. You're going to do a PowerPoint presentation. You're going to pick a topic from the International Council of Nursing, that website. So that website is listed at the bottom of Module 1. It's also listed underneath your final. There's a blue link that says final. There's a rubric there, and the website link is embedded there as well. So you pick one of those topics and you write about it. I think the rubric is pretty straightforward. One part that trips up students just a little bit is they have to analyze 3 professional articles. So this is more than having 3 references. You actually have to take 3 professional nursing or medical articles related to your topic, and you're to read them and to talk about them, and then apply them to your PowerPoint presentation. So if your PowerPoint presentation is about tobacco use, then you might have articles about why tobacco use is bad for you. You might find it on Medscape or another nursing journal on there. So you would read that article, and then describe it. So it's three articles that you're going to analyze to actually talk about it. And it would probably be easy if you actually made one separate slide for each of the articles that you had read and discussed and applied to your presentation. If you've got any other questions or concerns, please reach out to your instructor. And wow, we're done with week 8. How amazing. And we're so glad that you chose American Sentinel to be a part of this journey with you. Have a good one.